Hello guys, I have another Zulily unboxing for you today. So this box isn't as big as the one in the last video, but it's actually pretty heavy and I'm super excited. So I will just get right into this, opening up this box. So it's got quite a few things in there and I don't see my slip yet. Maybe it's just at the bottom. Usually they're pretty good at putting it at the top. So it's got the bubble wrap stuff there, and the first thing I'm gonna open up is this. I think this is a top. It has like the velvet on the bottom part. Well, it's all supposed to be all velvet, but this color is on the bottom of it, so I will just show you what it looks like. There should be two of these different colors. They have these in a lot of other colors, different styles. Actually, the top part is, oh, this is what this looks like. Super pretty, and it's got like a little tie at the waist there. I love this color. This is gorgeous. And I got this in a size medium. This is nice. I thought the whole top was like a velvet, but it's just the color. I think this might be like a plum color. The plum part of it is the velvet part. So that is cute. I'm gonna actually keep that in the bag because with these kinds of fabrics, it attracts a lot of lint. So you have to be so careful. And the next thing I'm pulling out, this is going to be like a kind of like a tunic style. So this is what this looks like. Actually, they said this was a dress, but it's going to be too short for me to wear as a dress because I have like really long legs. So I'm gonna have to wear this maybe with nice white jeggings or white pants. Those skinny pants would look really cute. So this is what it looks like. It's got like a little drop waist kind of style and like a lace paneling in the middle there. Nice and cute, and the color is gorgeous. Nice and floral, just for springtime. Okay, so this here is the other color I was telling you guys about. Okay, so this one is called the wine color. They look a little bit loose. I could have probably gone to a size small. So, but we'll see how it fits. Sometimes clothing looks big and then when you try them on, they just look really nice. So that's the color. It's got the string. This is the wine color. Super cute. And then I got this oven. It says barbecue grill mat or oven liner. I thought it looks like it's going to be too small, but it's just to put in the bottom of the oven because a lot of times when we cook in the oven, it kind of spills out and gets on the bottom of the oven. So I figured, well, I'm gonna try these and see, you know, how they work. So hopefully it does work and it fits. Yeah, this is tiny. Well, there's two in there, but I don't know if this will fit our oven. I'll have to check. We actually have two. We have two ovens on the stove. There's a big one on the bottom and then the smaller one on the top for like if you're baking cookies, you know, small stuff. And then the bottom part you use when you're baking like your chicken and stuff like that. So I could put one on in each oven and see how that works. So that was the oven liners. And what else have we got here? I don't remember what this is. Something black. I always like when I don't remember what's in here. Oh, this is a dress. This is a maxi dress. So I've been wanting a black maxi dress for a long time, and see how long it is. The length is like pretty long. So I figured, well, this one was kind of cheap and it's got 2 pockets on the sides. It's got 2 little pockets there on each side. I'm trying to hold this up. So it's gonna need a lot of steaming. It's very, very wrinkled. So it's just plain simple round neck, and this was in a size medium, made in Mexico. And oh, it's actually the cold shoulder style. So that's even better. I forgot about that. I thought it was just a plain, just a straight sleeve and that's it. But this is nice. You can actually dress this up, you know, with some nice jewelry. And it's nice for like if you're going somewhere nice, you can wear a nice purse or nice floppy sandals and it'll look really cute. How was that? And I've got, oh, here's my slip. Way down at the bottom. This one, I think this is a hoodie. I'm gonna keep some of the plastics to put the velvet tops in there, just so that they don't get a lot of lint. So this is a hoodie, and the sleeve is patterned, and then the body part is the velvet fabric. And then you've got like a little tie at the bottom there, and this is the hood. Nice color. This is also in a size medium by the brand Acting Pro. Still looks kind of big, really big, but we'll see. So that's the hood, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and we've got a couple more things in here. 3 more things. Lots of stuff in there. So this is going to be an activewear pants, or joggers they call them. I really like to wear these. I wear them all year round. I wear them in the summer, I wear them in the fall and winter. I just like them because they're so comfortable, like when you're just around the house. And when I go for my walks, I wear these because I've got lighter ones for summer, of course. And then I've got the ones for fall, which would be lined inside, nice and warm. So I got these. These are pretty light, I can tell. So they're more for this season now. I have a couple for summer, and I've actually started wearing them, but I need some more. And actually the ones that I was wearing for the winter, they're getting ripped because I've had them a while, so I'm gonna have to look for some more. So this is what this looks like, and it's kind of like a capri style, and it's got the band, and then on the sides here they have the little lace up style on each side, and then you've got your drawstring at the waist. And I'm actually glad that it is capri because I don't have a lot of capri style pants or anything. So yeah, I got this in a size large, and I'm glad I did. Maybe I could have gone smaller, but we'll see. So that's what these look like, pretty light and nice for spring. The next thing, what is this? I don't remember what this one. Oh, I think this is another cold shoulder dress. So this is another maxi dress with pockets on the side, and this is how this will fit. So you've got this sleeves hanging off your arms there, and then you've got the little straps, and it's pretty long, this one as well. I like maxi dresses. They're just nice and comfortable. I can throw them on if I'm just going to town or whatever. And I'm pretty sure this was in a size medium as well. So pretty simple, but it's a nice color. And that's the one. It's kind of rounded at the hemming. Kind of difficult to show you because I'm sitting down. Okay, so oh, there is something else in there. Oh, my nice little key ring. I hope you can see this. This is so cute. It looks like those designer purses. And I saw this and I said, well, this is pretty cute. I mean, and it's got the like the suede on the fabric is kind of like a suede. I'm really loving this. This will look nice on a like a brown colored purse. So I didn't think it would look as nice as it looks on the site, but it is nicer and kind of heavy too. So I saved this one for last, guys, because this dress was very expensive and I wanted to just order something. It was like in an event that had a lot of dressy dresses, like for weddings or if you've got prom or you know, going to a party, like a formal party or whatever. So I wanted to try buying something that's a little bit more than I usually spend just to see what the quality is going to be, because I mean, if I have an event coming up, I'm probably gonna want to get a nice dress or whatever for the occasion. So I just wanted to know what to expect, and from then I'll decide, well, look, I'm either gonna buy it or I'm not, based on how it looks. So this is going to be a long dress and I got it in a size 8. It says there is a UK 12, so I don't know if it's gonna fit, but we'll see. So this is what this dress is looking like. Okay, so I can tell right away that it looks different than it looks on the side, because the front part is sewn different, like the upper part of it. So I mean, and it even looks a little bit darker in person, but I don't know. It's nice, but it just doesn't look the way it's looked. But it's really lined nicely inside, and it's super long, so it's a nice peachy color. But on the site it says blush, and in person it looks really peach. I don't know if it's gonna fit because this part looks like it's going to be too small, but we'll see. I'll try it on. At least I'll have something formal, you know, and it's one of my favorite colors. So, but yeah, the front doesn't look like how it's looking on the site. So I mean, so but it's pretty. It is pretty, and I'm gonna try it on and see. If not, I'll have to see if I can get it sold, because you know, it's a nice dress. If it doesn't fit me, it can probably fit somebody else. So that was my video, guys. A lot of stuff in that box. Now I've got to go try everything on and make sure they fit and stuff like that. So it wasn't a big box like the last one I opened up, but this one was just mostly clothing. So I love clothing. I'm so addicted to shopping on that site. I'm looking on there every day. I take screenshots of stuff if I can't buy it right away, and then once I can buy, I go and search in the search bar to see if it's still available. So yeah, I'm just becoming a shopaholic. So that was my video, guys. I hope you guys are having a good week, and I hope you're gonna have a wonderful Easter. This is going to be a long weekend for Canadians, so I hope you guys have a good time whatever you have it planned with family, friends, or whoever. I just hope you have a wonderful weekend, and if you are celebrating it, of course. And I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.